Okie doke. So the cantilever here is this little diving board shaped guy right on here. You want to make sure that that's bent up a little bit. You see I'm bending it up with a pick. And you want to make sure that's bent up sharply enough that it'll clip in place. And then you got to hold this in the right orientation. You see we've got the spring clip up there. You got to feed this in without letting it touch any of the other wires. Push it in until it clips in place. And you see it's not in if it slips back out that way. So I got to push it in until it clicks. And now we're good. And you can see that cantilever, the diving board that we're bending up, is in that seat right there. That's the same process for removing one. You push in with your pick down on the cantilever in that seat and twist backwards, and you see it slides out. To put it back in, you push it in and make sure that the cantilever clips it in place. If it's too loose, you got to bend that cantilever up. You got to make it stronger, more bendy by bending it up with your pick slightly. Lighten it all up. In you go. Then you'll need to reassemble and put this insulating jacket back over top. You put the end cap back in. It gets your metal housing threaded on, and the housing will just slip right through, and then the plastic jacket will screw together. And don't over tighten this end cap or the plastic will crack. I think things will be no good. And then you'll be able to see you got contacts all on the inside.